So in geography, this term so far, we've been looking at connection with places around the world. And you guys have been making some great connections with all different places around the world, and we're gonna continue that today. We have a few different fun activities for you guys to engage in um, to help you make more connections with the place that you live and other places all around the world. So, just for a bit of reflection to begin, just ask yourself, think and answer these questions. In what ways are places similar and different? That's the main thing that we're going to be looking at today is the similarities and differences between different places. So have a think, in what ways are places similar and different? You can answer that just here. And then what is special about places? You can answer that just here. What is special about places? And then how are people connected to places? So try and write at least one, maybe two full sentences for those answers there to help us understand some similarities and differences between places. Then what you're going to do is you're going to watch this story. Mr. Chicken lands on London. And then what you can do after you've watched that story about Mr. Chicken landing on London is you can use Google Earth and explore Google Earth a little bit. If you just click this link here, it should take you to a website called Google Earth. I want you guys to try and find London on Google Earth. If you like, you can take a picture that you found it and you can post it on this slide as well. But do that. Then Miss Columbus has read a different Mr. Chicken book called Mr. Chicken Goes to Paris. So you can read that book as well. And then I want you guys to try and think of some similarities and differences between London and Paris. You would have read two stories, one about London, one about Paris. You could have seen London. Think about what the differences between London and Paris might be. I want you to list at least 5 differences between those two places. And you can just add some more if you can find more. Try and think about the language that they speak, the food they might eat, the way that they do things in their country, and also refer back to the books to help you with that as well. And then you have another activity to complete from your Learning from Home pack. It's a Venn diagram. Now, with Venn diagrams, I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger just to help you. Hopefully this works. Cool. With a Venn diagram, you are going to find some similarities and differences between Australia, the country that we live in, and another country of your choice. Now, in this box, you will write, in this circle, it's not a box, it's a circle, you will write things about Australia that are specific to Australia. And what I mean by that is that you will write things that only apply to Australia and not the other country that you research. In the same way, on this side, you will write those things that are specific to this country that you research, whether it's France, Germany, Japan, USA, whatever it might be, you can write those. And then in this bit, try and find some similarities between the two countries and write them down in this middle bit here. Okay, you should be able to write at least 3 things about Australia, 3 things about another country, and 3 things that are the same, 3 things that are similar. And that way it's just helping us gain a deeper understanding of similarities and differences between our country where we live and the other countries around the world, and it helps us make those deeper connections, which is what we're trying to do.